to Pretty Ree's channel. Today we will be doing flames on our eyes. If you're interested in the tutorial, please stay tuned. Thank you. Be sure to pack on the colors. Moving forward, we do want to make sure that we have a good contrast against the flames, but when you are packing on the colors, make sure that you're blending while you go. See me blending the second shade into the third one that we used in the cut crease, just to make sure that it's a nice transition before we start carving out our flames. While sketching out the flames, I didn't have a certain pattern in mind. I just started making little C's back and forth just to imitate the flame pattern. The flame shapes do not have to be precise. We will go back in and clean it up later. This shade will be your best friend. You will constantly go back and clean up with this shade. At this point, we're on 1,000 layer of yellow eyeshadow to really make a bold flame. permission, we're just going to clean up in between the flames and make it more precise. For each layer of color, we are getting lower. So once we hit the red, it's mainly just on the eyelid and just the base of your flames. My loves, this is the finished look. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you next time. Thank you.